Collective intelligence is gathering information from residents on the ground, information that things that they already know, things that they are already talking about, communicating about, and bringing that together at a community scale to help decision makers. That could be the residents themselves, again, or it could be other people such as policymakers. People around the world are increasingly connected. Everyone has a smartphone in their pocket, and that can go two ways. And I think that we have the opportunity to use that connectivity to do some social good, and to, as a community on the planet, we face some pretty big challenges. So how do we harness that really great network of us all being connected together to share information and to better solve some of those problems? Not sure what the promise is, but I think that I think that one of the challenges is making sure that we start with the challenges. And so we have this idea of collective intelligence, which is a range of different things depending on who you speak to. And so it's a question of making sure that we work out what those challenges are straight away and start to tackle them and take it from there, really. I think there's some really interesting trends around the integration of AI and also collective intelligence, CI, and how we bridge the human and the machine sort of interface. We've got lots of big data sets, interesting data, and how do we get those in the hands of humans so that we can better use that information.